ya sifuna zibuye imali zethu kade sibabonisa imali sibabuye. Bakithi ake sikhulumele. Nina abantu enisebenzayo kufuna ke siphinde sibheke lento. Ususebenze 25 years. Uma uthi wena una 33 years usebenza, don't you see that you are the cause of unemployment we youth? Akufiki lokho uzibona ukuthi kahle kahle umuntu oblock intshe ngabe uyazi wena wenza umsebenzi ikhampani imali eholelayo ngonke nxa ye service yakho ingaholela abantwana abawu3 ingaholela abantwana abawu3 abangasebenza abahleli lapha ngoba lo muntu uthi una 22 years emsebenzini umethi yo checka lapha yana imali yakhe angayithola 9000 wena nje una 22 years ucanga ukuthi 900000 ngakwazi ukusebenzisa ngakwazi ukusebenzisa yini ucabanga ukuthi ungayiqala ngomuntu 9000 uyazi kunomuntu ongathi bengathola 50000 aqala into phila adlule wena osebenzayo because lento ufuna sizikhuluma sine crisis engaka ye unemployment yentsha it because sinabantu abahleli lapha ijudge la 33 years uyijudge kunama attorneys lapha advocates lapha akufuza ngabenza enza umsebenzi oright kakhulu a magistrate na 41 years athi ngiyaretire ngiyaza benze ngizoyithi 42 ha ikanze ukuthi uzosebenza kama kunjalo wena njengoba uthi wena lo muntu ngikhuluma mina ngomuntu mina othi uma retire uphuma no 3 million uthi akuyona imali leyo angayenzani uma ephuma no 3 million ibudget yokwakha ihholo leyo emakhaya ibudget yokwakha ihholo leyo imali enangaphuma nayo akazi ukuthi angayenzani ngeke bakithi ngeke yabona ngeke khona into engenzeki kahle njoba sinabantu abangaka abagraduate every year eSouth Africa sinabantu abagraduate every year eSouth Africa sinabantu abathi bafuna ukuhlanza u30 ngihlanza u30 emsebenzini Army General khona bangaze bayibona even i-combat action yonke into iyi-theory athi I trained in Germany, I trained in Russia, I trained in France, trained not fight. I never fight in Germany, trained. You got no combat experience as a general. We have to tell you the truth. We don't care where you trained. You've never been in war. You never fight. During the times of riot in South Africa, it's a riot, it's not a military, it's not a combat action. Combat action is something different. The Army General, 38 years in the army. He's holding 4 million. He doesn't want to retire. He's 62 years. He says that it is 3 years to retire. He's 62 years now. If he takes his package now, he'll walk away with 4 million, but he said he doesn't know what to